Hello everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Avenue. If you want to improve your English while enjoying a meaningful and interesting story, you are in the right place. In today's video, you will listen to a long English story with simple sentences and lots of useful vocabulary. Try to focus on pronunciation, meaning, and how sentences are formed. Don't skip the video, because every part will help you learn something new. Now, let's begin our story. Amir was a young man living in a crowded city called Delhi. Crowded means full of people, where there is very little space to move. He came from a small village in the countryside, where life was simple and slow. Countryside means areas outside big cities, with fields, trees, and farms. But he moved to the city to find a better life. Better life means a life with more opportunities, like good jobs, education, and comfort. Life in the city was not easy for him at all. The streets were always busy with cars honking and people rushing everywhere. Honking means making a loud noise with a car horn to warn others. Rushing means moving very quickly because you are in a hurry. Every morning, Amir woke up early, before the sun rose, and traveled a long distance to his workplace. He had to take a crowded bus, then walk for 20 minutes to reach his small office. He worked in a small office as a helper, doing tasks like making tea, filing papers, and running errands. Errands means small jobs or tasks you do outside, like buying something from a shop. Filing papers means organizing documents in folders. His salary was low, just enough to pay for his room rent and basic food. Salary means the money you receive for your job every month. But his dreams were big. He wanted to become a manager one day, own a house, and support his family back in the village. Dreams means the things you hope for in the future. Support means to give money or help to your family. Amir always believed that hard work changes destiny. Destiny means the things that will happen to you in life, like your future path. Hard work means putting a lot of effort and time into something. Even when he was tired after a long day, he never complained. Complained means to express unhappiness or dissatisfaction again and again. Tired means feeling that you need rest because you have used a lot of energy. Instead, he smiled and kept going, thinking about his goals. Kept going means continued doing something without stopping. One day, while returning home after a tiring shift, Amir saw an old man sitting near the road under a big tree. Tiring shift means a work period that makes you very exhausted. The old man looked weak and tired, with wrinkled skin and gray hair. Wrinkled means having lines or folds on the skin, usually because of age. Weak means not strong, lacking energy or power. People were passing by quickly, but no one stopped to check on him. Amir felt something in his heart. He couldn't just walk away. So, he stopped and asked politely, "Uncle, are you okay? Do you need help?" Politely means speaking in a respectful and gentle way. The old man looked up slowly, his eyes tired but kind, and smiled. He said, "I am fine, son. I am just resting here because my legs are aching." Aching means feeling a continuous dull pain. Amir offered him some water and a packet of biscuits. Offered means gave something willingly to help. The old man accepted gratefully and said, "You have a kind heart, young man." Kind heart means being caring, generous, and helpful to others. Gratefully means showing thanks because you appreciate the help. Days passed, and Amir continued his routine. Routine means the usual activities you do every day in the same order. But inside his heart, he felt something was missing. He missed his family. One evening, Amir received a phone call from his village. His younger brother said, "Ami is sick. She has a high fever." His mother was sick, and Amir felt worried and helpless. Helpless means unable to do anything to change the situation. That night, Amir could not sleep. He kept thinking about his responsibilities. Responsibilities means duties or things you must take care of. The next day at work, His boss shouted at him angrily. Amir felt embarrassed, but he stayed silent. Embarrassed means feeling shy or ashamed in front of others. After work, Amir again saw the same old man. This time, the old man called him and said, "Do not lose hope." The old man gave him a small notebook and said, "Write your goals every day." Goals mean specific things you want to achieve. Slowly, Amir started changing himself. He practiced English daily, and he did not give up. Give up means to quit or stop trying. Months passed, and one day, Amir got selected for the promotion. His life slowly became better. He helped his mother, and he never forgot the old man's words. Years later, Amir became a successful professional, and he helped many people, just like the old man helped him. He realized that small kindness and guidance can change a life forever. Forever means for all time, never ending. So friends, this was today's long story about Amir's journey. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned many new English words and sentences. Try to remember these sentences and use them in your daily conversations. If you want to improve your English step by step, stay connected with this channel. Like the video, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next lesson. Keep believing in yourself, and keep learning English. Goodbye.